What is streamer identity? I thought I was gonna look cool doing this, but I look like a pretzel. Yeah. This past week I asked my community, what is your stream identity? And you know what most of them told me? I don't have one. Now that's not true. Everybody has some form of stream identity. Most new and aspiring streamers break down success to one thing. Jump on the trend of the popular game or the popular thing that's out there. And hey, boom, success. I've made it. The profit. Yeah, no, that's not how it works, eh? The key part of the formula is actually not the content or trend you're jumping on, but how you interact with it. You know, what's your angle? Why do you love that thing? That's what your community wants to see. And that's what new viewers want to see. They want to see why you like it. What makes you relatable? I like Dark Souls. Why? It's suffering. Yeah, but it's a challenge, and I like that challenge. I like overcoming that challenge. People connect to that. Actually, they just connect to the fact that they can make it even harder. Like, why do people do this to me? Why do you want to make me suffer? It's hard enough as is. I don't need it to be harder. Please. Too many streamers boil it down to, I'm good at A, and therefore, if I do A on a live stream, the profit. That's not the profit. That's the standard. You know? You gotta make yourself different. You have to make yourself stand out. Because your streaming identity is a constant work in progress, and it's constantly gonna change with all the trends out there. That journey is also a part of your streamer identity, because that's the growth you're gonna show. Think of this as like your little underdog story, you know. You're starting at the bottom with your 2 or 3 viewers, and people get to see you grow. Take on the big dogs, you know, punching above your weight, slowly getting there, maybe take a knock here and there. That's part of that journey, and that's how you define your streamer identity, like how you go through that journey. Look at the most popular games, like some of the most popular games out there have like some form of rank system. You take Apex, you take Hearthstone, you take Warzone. They want to see that journey, but like in streamer form. They want to see you go, start out as a gold tier player and make your way up to a master, predator level, a legend. That's what they want to see. The fact that you actually make it, that's cool, but they want to see how you get there, like how you improve. Because that's the journey, that's you. You did that, you did the thing, you got better. Just go out there, show people why you love the things you love, and enjoy it. As always, lost souls. I am that wandering wanderer. I am the lost soul. I am that nomad Chad. Peace out. If you enjoyed this video, why not leave a like and subscribe?